Hi there. An index in a SQL Server table works like a book's index, helping the database find rows, without scanning every single page. Let's learn how to create one using SQL Server Management Studio. In SQL Server Management Studio's Object Explorer, right-click the desired table and select Design. Then, in the Designer window, right-click and select Indexes keys. In the dialog box, click Add to create a new entry. From the right, select the column you wish to index. Change is unique property to Yes. Then set type to index. Click Close and save the table. Now, in the Object Explorer, expand the table's index node to verify the new index key entry. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this.